Hey there, welcome back to another tip of the week with me, Adriana Cerdeira from Computer Buddy BR. And today we're going to talk about auto-download in Chrome and how to stop the auto-download. So I've heard people who don't like to use Chrome because Chrome starts downloading without asking you if you really want to download and where you want to save your download. And a lot of people think that's a security breach. And I have to agree that is a security breach, because if you enter into a malicious site that starts downloading automatically a virus into your computer, Chrome's default setting won't stop that virus, right? Will just download the virus. So you don't want that, but that's no reason not to use Chrome, because you can change that setting and that's very easy. So let's go see how you do that. I have Chrome here opened, and I'm gonna come here to these three little dots. Get used that nowadays these three little dots always mean menu, okay, in a lot of software. And I'm gonna come here in settings. So I clicked on settings, and I'm gonna come down here in advanced, right down here, okay. I'm gonna scroll down and come down to advanced, and then I'm gonna scroll down again and come down here to download. And you see here, ask where to save each file before downloading. Here, that's selected for me because I've already changed this, but if you just install Chrome, this will be unselected. All you have to do is click here and select. And now, let's go to ccleaner.com, where we went last week. So I'm gonna come here and try downloading. Down here, download, and you'll see Chrome open this pop-up window that saves us, and you'll see that the download folder is the one that Chrome opens, but I can easily navigate to anywhere else I want, and all I have to do is click save. And so this, if I enter a malicious site that's trying to download, you're gonna get this pop-up window and you're gonna say no, don't download anything. Okay, that's that. And there's another setting I'm gonna show you right here on the downloads too. You see there's location, and this says Adriana downloads. You can change this if you don't want your downloads folder to be your default folder, to be the folder that Chrome opens when you click on downloading something. You can come here and navigate, go to documents, for instance, and click on select folder. And then from then on, when you click download, the folder that will open will be your new folder that you selected. So you saw this. We changed this in less than 5 minutes, okay? This is the raw editing is less than 5 minutes. So the video is probably gonna be even shorter. The edited video is gonna be probably even shorter. And I changed this super quickly, super easily. And now I can use Chrome, which is a great browser. Chrome and Firefox are considering the two best browsers, especially on security features and stuff like that. And Chrome, if you have a Gmail account, if you use YouTube, if you use Google Drive, Chrome is made for those products, okay? Because Chrome is from Google. So Chrome is optimized for the Google products. So don't stop using Chrome just because of that little detail that you can change easily, okay? If you like the tip, don't forget to subscribe and check out my Udemy profile, where I have other courses that might interest you. And I'll see you next week for another tip, okay? See you there.